First off, disclaimer, it's the end of the day. I look a mess. It's a crazy busy day today. Got a lot accomplished though, so that's good. If my eyelash is falling off, if my eyeliner's running, just ignore it. So today's video, I'm going to tell you guys my best, top, favorite Poshmark tips, secrets, tricks, whatever you want to call them. I have talked about some of these in previous videos, so some of this might not be new to you guys, but there are some things that I have not talked about. I just wanted to make a video just to compile like my favorite tips and tricks. Here we go. I just have them in order on my phone. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just six little tips. And these are by no means like, you know, like, the only tips and tricks that I have up my sleeve. See the sleeve right here? Got a lot of tricks up there. Let's start with things that I've already talked about. All right, let me see. Do I need glasses? Like, do I need my, no, I have glasses. Do I need my prescription changed? I just went to the eye doctor. First thing is following a shit ton of people. I always tell people they should follow as many people as they can. I like to follow people that follow me. I like to, let's go into the app, follow along on your phone, friends. Open up your Poshmark app. Okay, we're gonna go to feed. Tap on feed at the bottom. You're gonna tap on the little silhouette of a person in the plus sign. You're gonna tap on new people. You're gonna follow a shit ton of people under fresh closets. So let's do this. Let's follow. And then we're gonna tap on just joined. We're gonna follow. I'm obnoxious, I'm aware. Okay, we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna go back to my brands. We're gonna go to, let's tap on my brands at the top here. These will be your favorite brands. They're brands that you've said that you like on here. If you haven't filled that out, you can go back here and type in a random brand up there that you like. All right, so we're gonna go to Pink Victoria's Secret. Then we're gonna tap on sort. I'm gonna tap on active sellers. And then as you can see, I already follow a bunch of these people, but we're gonna follow some of the ones that I have not followed. Active sellers, these are people that are active on the app right now. Okay. Then we're gonna go to, what else do I like to do? What else do I like to do? Oh, down here, these are Poshmark ambassadors. There's usually only like a couple. Yeah, see, I follow all these people. And then we are going to go to, what else? All right, we're gonna go to, she popped right up because I think I talked about her in a previous video. Jenna, who's Empty Hanger. She's like Poshmark goals. So we're gonna go to her closet. I'm going to tap on about. And I'm going to go down to her love notes and follow some people that have recently left her love notes. These are people that have made purchases recently. So I'm gonna follow this girl. I'm gonna follow this girl. I'm gonna go see all love notes. I'll just follow one more. Oh, I'm already following her. Okay, what about this person? Oh, I'm already following them. What about this person? Oh, I'm already following them. I follow a shit ton of people on here. Okay, so you get the point. Follow as many people as you can because that will give you more followers. They will be more apt to follow you back. And the more people that follow you back, the more eyes that are on your closet. You know, the more apt they will be to maybe purchase something from you, share something of yours. Just follow, 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 follow. Adding items to a bundle to avoid having to give a shipping discount. You know, sometimes it's great to, you know, give people shipping discounts. It's great, but I don't know about you guys, I don't always want to do that. Especially on an item that is already priced super low. I don't want to give a shipping discount and a regular discount. I don't want to do it, otherwise I won't make a profit. So, what you do when somebody likes something. All right, again, let's pick up our cellular devices and follow along again. Class, you ready? Okay, we're gonna go to likes. Somebody that liked something recently. Okay, this person liked this Nike hoodie, so I'm gonna tap on her username. I'm gonna tap on the little shopping bag up here with her profile picture. Then I'm gonna tap on the 3 dots up here. I'm gonna tap on switch to sell view. This is going to show me everything from my closet that she liked. She just liked one sweatshirt. I'm gonna tap the middle icon right here. It's a little shopping bag with a plus sign. That's going to add it to a bundle, and then I'm going to tap on offer. I'm going to send her an offer. You don't have to choose a shipping discount, which is great. So I'm gonna send her an offer on this, and then I'm gonna tap submit. there we go, I sent her an offer. Yeah, I like to do that, again, if I, want to send someone an offer, but I don't want to give a shipping discount too. This step I probably need to follow myself, actually. It is about SEO, which is search engine optimization. I don't know too much about it, but I do know that the most important thing in your listing is the description, and then the first lines of, backing up. The title. Title is very important. And then the description, the first line in your description, I think it's the first 10 words, I think. Yeah, but the first like couple of words, few words, whatever, in your description, and then the last few words in your description are what Google, everyone uses Google, right? Does anyone else use any other search engine? Bing? What other search engines out there? Do you guys remember Alta Vista? You guys old enough to remember that search engine? I don't know, I don't think that's still around. But majority of the world uses Google, I think. So yeah, that's what Google looks for in listings, and that's how they determine where your item ranks in search results. Remember, you want to have a good title, you want to have the beginning and the end of your description. That's the most important. I need to follow that myself. I'm actually gonna do, I don't know, it's gonna take me a while, overhaul on my descriptions. All right, next. Okay, so keeping along the same lines of like search engine optimization, SEO, if you go to a listing, actually, let me show you. Pick up your cellular devices. Let's go to a listing. Let's go to a listing in my closet. Okay, so I've got these cute ass, they're so freaking cute. They are Lululemon Wonder Under leggings. They are such a pretty color. Look how pretty. Hold on, can we just pause for a moment? Look how pretty that color is. It is gorgeous. Super freaking cute. They are a size 8. They're so gorgeous. I love them. But anyway, I have these listed in my closet. So if I scroll all the way down. Oh, wait. My bad. This needs to be done either on a computer, or if you're on an iOS device, you have to go to Safari and do it that way. Okay, my bad. Hold on. We are on Safari. We're on that same listing in Safari. You want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and Poshmark gives you some keywords. This is very helpful. I actually just found out about this recently. So all the way at the bottom, it says people also searched, and it says mesh Lululemon pants, Lululemon gray leggings, Lululemon leggings, Lululemon wide leg capris, Lululemon city pants. So these are all like popular, most recent searched Lululemon terms. And they have that for every listing. So let's go to another listing that I have. These red Hirachis. Oh, you guys, I love them. These are a little bit too small for me. That's why I'm selling them. I actually just bought a new pair of Poshmark last night. I'm so excited. Guys, Hirachis are like the most comfortable sneakers ever. I have a few pairs of them. I love them so much. I'm gonna do a sneaker video soon, like show you guys my sneaker collection, because I got some sick ass kicks. Okay, so scrolling all the way to the bottom, right down here, again, we have people also search for. Recent terms that people have searched for: orange and white Nike shoes, pick of Nike shoes, Nike cage tennis shoes, Nike shoes size 15. That's a big foot. So yeah, so you can kind of like tweak your listing. You know, some of these are completely like this is talking about completely different shoes, but you know, you can see what people are searching for, like Nike most comfortable shoes. Ooh, I just said Hirachis are really fucking comfortable, so maybe I should put the word comfortable in the title, or in the description at least. Okay, guys, there's a way to get free inventory. All you gotta do is refer your friends to join Poshmark. Everyone has a referral code. It's just your Poshmark username. If you tell your friends and family to sign up using your username, they get a $10 credit, and you get a $10 credit when they make their first purchase. So if you build up credits like I have, holy shit balls, guys. Let's see what we got going on right now. I have got $3,905 worth of credits. So you know I'm not lying. There we frickin' go. Tell your friends and family to join Poshmark using your code, and then you can turn around and use those credits that you get to buy other stuff on Poshmark. And then you can turn around on Poshmark and flip it. And that's 100% profit. Like, amazing. Now is actually a really great time to tell your friends and family to join Poshmark, and I'm not trying to use this pandemic as as like in a bad way or anything. It's just, I mean, it's kind of what it is. A lot of people are online shopping more, and people are cleaning their houses and getting rid of things, so why not tell them to sell stuff on Poshmark? It'll only benefit them. Like, it's not like they're losing out on anything. Again, not using this pandemic to try, like, I know someone in the comments is gonna be like, Vanessa, I can't believe you're using this pandemic to but I'm not using it anything. I'm just saying, people are looking to make extra money right now. What better way than selling stuff that you already have that doesn't involve you spending any money, you know? So, little tip on how to get free inventory. Last thing I want to talk about is relisting. You know, those listings that you've had for a while and they're just not moving, you know, you're not getting any action, people aren't liking it, people aren't sharing it, people aren't buying it. Relist that shit. I like to relist it as opposed to doing edit next list, because when you do edit next list, yes, it moves your items up in the search results, but when you relist something, it's super simple to relist something. All you gotta do is save the pictures, copy and paste, you know, the description that you have. It's easier to do it on like a desktop computer because you can open 2 tabs. So you can have like one tab open, you know, with a description and then just, you know, transfer it that way. But yeah, I like doing that because when you relist something, it not only brings it up higher in the search results, it also puts it into the just listed category as well. There you have it. There are some tips and tricks, my favorite tips and tricks, or at least the ones that came to my mind. So yeah, they must be my favorite. But yeah, those are some helpful things that if you implement in your Poshmark business, you will get success. You will have success. I guarantee success will come knocking on your door saying, hey, I'm here. For real. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you are a reseller yourself, you should comment down below and let me know what your favorite Poshmark tip or trick is. Let's have a conversation in the comments, guys. I love seeing other people's opinions and ideas. It's great. It helps me. You know, it helps you too, obviously, to get other people's opinions and ideas and shit. And if you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. See, telling you guys to use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. Again, I get a $10 credit, so thank you. But you also get a $10 credit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.